Hey Internet. So have you ever had something small go wrong in your day and felt like it just ruined the whole day? Like even if everything else went super right, even just this one little thing made everything seem bad? This happened to me today. I had a presentation to do during class, and even though the majority of it went really well, I messed up on one little thing and I just felt like I had completely just ruined everything. And even though I got really good feedback afterwards for the most part, I still feel like I just made a total mess of the whole presentation. In humans, there's this phenomena that occurs called loss aversion. It's this economic and decision theory that basically says that people place more psychological value on losing something than they do on gaining something of the same monetary value. For example, a person would be more upset if they lost $10 than they would be happy if they received $10. Sometimes this cognitive effect is so great that it can take more than twice the gain to offset the loss. I feel like this applies in many aspects of our lives. It takes many good experiences to offset one bad experience. This has even been incorporated into the customer service strategies of places like Disney World. They tell their employees that for a customer, it takes 10 good experiences to offset the effects made by one bad experience. So I guess in the case of everyday life, it's important that we continue to positively reinforce ourselves about the good things that are happening and try to just let go of the bad experiences. If we can do that, we can help relieve some of the weight that this phenomenon puts on our shoulders. All right, I'll see y'all later.